What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are in Big Bear, California at the trailhead to John Bull. We actually got here yesterday and did a quick run through Gold Mountain, but stay tuned. Day 2.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
There must have been a fire that came through here. We've been seeing a lot of trees that are knocked down and charred.
So we started the trail with sweaters, long pants, and beanies on because we thought it was going to be a heck of a lot chillier this morning, but about 2 minutes in we started stripping down into our summer clothes, so weather's going to be perfect today.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
So I'm just saying this for the record. Last night, Chad says he hopes to use the winch at some point on this trail, so we'll see if that happens.
That'll only be if there's driver error, so, or because we're trying a really hard obstacle, but hopefully I'm a good enough driver to where we don't need to bust the winch out. Maybe Rick's winch.
We have arrived at the gatekeeper.
Alright guys, we're walking through the gatekeeper. It's like the second obstacle. Just picking our lines.
I'll have the first tire up here.
Cut back through here, and then you're good.
Yeah, cut back through there.
The shadows aren't great. Can't really see anything, but we're headed all the way up there. There's definitely some rocks up here as well. Nothing too crazy up there. It's nothing too bad.
It's like finding what you're looking for. We've been waiting, we won't wait no more. Every season, every memory made, all the dreaming led us here today. Can you see it? We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on, we got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset sets the night on fire. You and me here, and it feels so right. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on, we got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We've been waiting, we won't wait no more. Every season, every memory made, all the dreaming led us here today. Can you see it? We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on, we got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset sets the night on fire. You and me here, and it feels so right. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on, we got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on, we got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to, the best is yet to come.
We're about 3/4 of the way through the trail. We stopped for lunch. We have some damage. We put the track bar and the steering stabilizer on a rock, and you can see it's a little bent, so we will be upgrading that when we get back. You can probably see we put that diff and the rear diff. We got upgraded diff covers, but you can probably see that we put the bottom of both diffs on rocks, so we're probably gonna grab some diff skids before Rubicon. And then we have been rubbing a little bit right here in front. So I'm probably gonna just cut that off right there and just trim just a little bit. Fender liner rubbing a little bit. We'll probably extend the bump stop probably an inch or two, and that should bump it out a little bit sooner. But you know, we re-geared to 513. We're on 37s. We got tube doors. We're gonna do an upgraded track bar, maybe a reverse, maybe a 1-ton. Don't know yet. Gonna have to check out some prices, but we'll see when we get back.
We are at the end of the John Bull Trail, and no winch was necessary.
No winch. A couple of times we had to back up. We got high centered a little bit on diffs and whatnot. Couple challenging obstacles, but it was a lot of fun. Stay tuned for day 3 where we're hitting.
I have no idea.
What are we doing? What trail are we doing tomorrow? Holcomb Creek. Holcomb Creek tomorrow, day 3. Later, guys.